Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews on the latest and greatest products. Today, we're diving into the world of spices with a product that's been making waves, the Organic Turmeric Powder with Curcumin by OSR. If you're looking for the best turmeric powder for eating, look no further. Let's get started. Turmeric has been revered for its health benefits for centuries, and this organic turmeric powder from OSR takes it to the next level. With its USDA organic certification, non-GMO status, and rigorous lab testing for heavy metals and purity, you can trust that you're getting nothing but the best. Packaged in a resealable craft bag to maintain freshness, this turmeric powder is pure, with no additives, colors, or preservatives. Plus, it boasts a high curcumin content, tested to have a minimum of 3%, ensuring you reap all those powerful health benefits. But don't just take my word for it. Let's hear from some satisfied customers. Kate says, "We use turmeric in our house like there's no tomorrow. Even Costco isn't enough for us. We found this to be great quality and great for the price. And our bath adds, very nice. Easy to use for golden milk." With numerous positive reviews highlighting its quality and versatility, it's clear this turmeric powder stands out from the rest. Now, let's talk about how you can incorporate this organic turmeric powder into your daily routine. Whether you're a fan of smoothies, lattes, or energy balls, there's a recipe for you. Try the OSR Clementine, Turmeric, and Coconut Smoothie for a refreshing and nutritious boost. Or indulge in a cozy OSR Turmeric Latte, perfect for those chilly mornings or evenings. And for a tasty snack on the go, whip up some OSR Turmeric and Ginger Energy Balls. They're sure to keep you energized throughout the day. In conclusion, if you're in the market for the best turmeric powder for eating, look no further than the Organic Turmeric Powder with Curcumin by OSR. With its exceptional quality, purity, and versatility, it's a must-have staple for any kitchen. Don't forget to check the description box below for links to purchase this product and try out these delicious recipes for yourself. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay tuned to Product Critique for more honest reviews. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. See you next time.